What if productivity isn't just about getting things done, but about how society defines your worth? Today, being productive feels like a moral duty, but this idea has a history. In pre-industrial societies, time followed nature: daylight, seasons, prayer. Productivity was tied to necessity, not constant output. With the Industrial Revolution, time became standardized, measured, controlled. Factories didn't just produce goods, they produced disciplined workers. As Max Weber argued, the Protestant ethic transformed work into a moral obligation, linking productivity to virtue. By the 20th century, productivity entered the home and the self. Think of Taylorism, efficiency measured down to seconds. Later, the rise of corporate culture turned productivity into identity. You are no longer just working, you are your work. Contemporary sociologists reveal a deeper layer. Judy Wajcman argues that despite technology saving time, we feel busier than ever. Why? Because society accelerates expectations. Productivity expands to fill all available time. Hartmut Rosa calls this social acceleration, a constant pressure to do more, faster, leading not to freedom, but exhaustion. Even rest becomes instrumental. You rest to be more productive later. Across cultures, productivity is framed differently. In Japan, concepts like karoshi expose the extreme consequences of overwork. In contrast, some Scandinavian models emphasize balance, yet still operate within productivity-driven economies. Now consider perspectives beyond the Western lens. Syed Hussein Alatas challenged the idea that laziness is cultural, arguing instead that productivity narratives can justify inequality and colonial dominance. Labels like unproductive often hide structural issues. Abdelwahab Elmessiri critiqued modern materialism, suggesting that reducing humans to output machines strips life of meaning. Productivity, in this sense, becomes a tool of dehumanization. And Ali Shariati reframed work as purposeful action, not endless accumulation. For him, true productivity is tied to consciousness, ethics, and social responsibility, not just efficiency. So when you check your to-do list or feel guilty for resting, ask yourself, who defined productivity this way? What system benefits from it? And what does it mean to be productive on your own terms? Because productivity is never just personal, it is deeply social. If this changed how you see your time and your work, subscribe to the channel. We break down powerful ideas so you don't just live within systems, you understand them.